my loved ones. How are you? It's your girl CC. I'm just me. Coming at you with another banger. Y'all, today I have tacos. Yes, y'all, I got tacos. I got, I just got ground beef taco with salsa, corn salsa, Dorito Locos taco with sour cream, lettuce, tomatoes, Valdera sauce. And I'm going to put some of these pickles in it. I do got to do another mukbang because I did beloved tacos wrong. I did it wrong. I'm going to do it again, but this is not going to be that video. So, I'm missing something that we got in here.
No, in case you want more sauce, but that's some vegan meat, mostly vegan meat.
Vegan.
Vegetarian meat.
I got that vegan meat. It all tastes good once it go down, y'all.
Yeah.
You can't tell the difference once you season it. So, y'all, I am going to do the beloved taco over again because I ain't had a Tabasco sauce. I ain't had a cucumber. I ain't had nothing, but now I do like these butter pickles. They slice these are little sliced ones. Now I like it. I like the flavor. I don't know before I felt cause I'm trying to look cute for y'all, but I don't want to mess up I don't want this to be in my hair. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Let me turn it around this. This is so good. Vegan meat and all. It's good. It tastes like regular meat, y'all. With it. So, y'all, what y'all been up to? What y'all been doing? My brother making okay, look, y'all. Oh no, he's making something else. What you making over there?
Nothing.
I'm talking about nothing. Y'all, today I tasted this drink right here, and I didn't like it. I started drinking like other stuff, and when you start drinking like sodas and all that stuff, when you go back to like stuff, I can taste like the artificialness in it. So that is crazy. I taste and I'm like, I don't like that, and I know that I used to like it. I mean, I used to like it so, but I ain't like it. So, I'm so. These ate the pop in there, y'all. These ate the pop, and then I bought 4 things of these butter pickle now. Cause the last time it was just falling out of there and all that. So I was like, I gotta find me something that's already chopped, so I can put them in. I need to hold up. I'm not me, y'all. It's my first meal today. And it's like 3, 4. Mm. Oh, school about to start out. Mm. No. School is about to start out. They give you the option. I don't know if they give everybody the option, but they got the option of virtual learning or going back in for class. I know this gonna be stressful, y'all, because they gonna have a lot of stuff with this school starting back up. A lot. So I want to see how it goes. So hopefully it's easy breezy. Hopefully it's easy breezy. Yeah, that's too good to be right. After last year, it cannot go. It just cannot be easy breezy. Mm. Mm. No. Tacos is hitting. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Y'all, oh y'all, did y'all see a lot of mukbangers? They've been going to the hospital. Beloved son is in the hospital, and Dame is in the hospital. I'm praying for them. Oh my God. I don't know what's going on, but I'm just praying. Mm. Mm-hmm. I was so sick to hear that. Well, we're all gonna make a way. Mm. Mm. So y'all, make sure y'all head over there and say up a little prayer for them. For them, you know, be all in it. And, you know, prayers work, especially multi-play prayers. You know, I just hope all is well. All is well. Woo! This is gonna be a messy one. I can tell right now. Look at that. I just want it to be a messy one. Y'all, yesterday I went to boot camp, swimming aerobics. Oh my God. Mm-hmm. When I tell you, they kicked my butt. I mean, they kicked my butt. I'll be a little baddie in no time. Well, I'm a baddie already, so. But I'll be cute in no time, messing around with them. Y'all, if y'all a bigger person and y'all looking for like some place to do like exercise, water is the best place to do exercise. It makes you feel lighter, and it be other people there with you, from kids Well, it wasn't no kids. It was teenager to older people. Um, um, mm, it'd be people there with you though, push you and motivate y'all to get y'all to stop the gavel, to get us the gavel. You know, so if y'all trying to lose weight, go to y'all local place and find some swim activities to do, and it get you right fast too. You'll wake up tomorrow. You'll wake up body aching, but it'd be worth it because you know that you're working on yourself. So it'll be really worth it, y'all. I'm definitely going back. I'm definitely going back. Mm. Mm. Um, I go back because I eat meals like this, you know. So, mm, mm. But I really eat one meal a day. I stopped eating at 6 o'clock. So every other so like every 2 months, I try to switch it up. You know, so this is the year to take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Mm-hmm. Mm. These are just so good. Mm. Mm. These nacho ones are so addictive, y'all. Especially with this little hint of the pickles. Y'all, I don't know. I just know that it's, we put a lot of them in there, stuff them in there. And I'm able to stuff them in there, stuff them in there, stuff them in there. Woo. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna have a big cleanup after this. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. You know, I got up today after my swim aerobic boot camp. I got up today and I had so much energy. I started cleaning up my whole house, y'all. I mean, really cleaning up, getting ready for school. I'm about to put them back on their school schedule. Mm. Mm. I cannot wait. Uh-huh. Mm. Mm. So y'all wait for y'all kids to get back on their school schedule. That's gonna be lit. Mm-hmm. I need to go to sleep early. Mm-hmm. Mm. Y'all, if y'all got here this far, y'all must like the video. So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And hit that notification bell. Ding! So you can be OAO with your girl doing next. And don't forget to share me out. Share your girl out. And don't forget to tell a friend, and tell a friend, and tell a mama, and tell a papa, and tell a sister and brother to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Yes, and don't forget to binge watch your girl. Hey, binge. Hey, binge watch your girl's channel. Yeah. I'm getting kind of full. I'm gonna eat one more. This one look good. Up and jamming, getting everything ready so I can go and get their uniforms. But I don't know if they going back yet. I gotta see what they gonna do with car procedures and all that they gonna be taking for the kids. For them to go back to school. Oh, now this is like the goodest one I had. This one was good. This one for them. I'm trying Yeah. You gotta eat this one sideways, y'all. Oh. I didn't make a mask, y'all, on my face. Well, that's how I know I'm taking my time. Cause I usually do. Be ready to stuff my food now. Yep. That was good. That one. That was good. That was good. I am gonna do the beloved video over again, y'all. If somebody put me on game, right? You missing the whole experience. So you gonna have the Tabasco. I had a cucumber. So I gotta go and get them beloved ingredients again because your girl been tripping. She was tripping. I was like, I'm tripping. I need the whole experience what she talking about, you know? How it really tastes. So y'all look out for that video. A little taco holder. So y'all look out for that video. It's coming soon, probably the next week or something like that. But everything looks so good. Y'all, I enjoyed this meal with y'all. I hope y'all looked at this video and y'all was hungry and y'all was like, what I'm gonna eat for dinner? Make some tacos. Make some tacos. Make how you want your tacos to be. Whether it's with meat, without meat, how you like it. Eat some tacos with me. Pause the video, cook it, come back, eat the tacos with me, and let's talk. And leave your comments down below. Yeah, leave your comments below, y'all. Alright, y'all. I love y'all. You already know your girl miss y'all. Mwah.